Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. Very important movements are going for Zilliqa coin right now. It is still moving in a falling wedge pattern, and as we previously have already seen that the price line broke down a very significant support of a descending triangle, and this was the support that previously we were watching. The price line did not break down this support since after January 2021. We tested the support here and here as well, and here we had a nice bounce by this support. But here in the month of January 2022, we have broken down this support, and this was the resistance of the previous descending triangle, by the way. And now if the price line moves up from here, then this support can work as a very strong resistance in this situation if we will have a reversal move from here. Now let's take a look at the falling wedge pattern that we were watching previously, that has been formed on the daily time frame. This is the resistance of the falling wedge, and here we have the support of the newly formed falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame. You can see that on the daily time frame, this movement between this resistance and support of the falling wedge is more visible, even though it is also visible on the weekly time frame. But we can watch more up and downward move, a zigzag move between this support and resistance in a more obvious way. And right now you can see that we have several touch points here and even here as well, and we also have several touch points here at the resistance, and at the support we have a nice bounce, and again we are likely to have another bounce. After this rejection, we move down here, we had some accumulation, and right now we are having bounce by the support of the falling wedge. Now if we take a look at the RSI at the same time, RSI has completely oversold, and now it is turning bullish. It is gaining bullish momentum and moved out from the oversold zone. Now if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame chart, then here price line has formed an ascending triangle. Here we have the resistance of this newly formed ascending triangle, and this is the support of this triangle. And you can see here we had a fake out, but now it is again reached at the resistance of this ascending triangle. Now for example, if we will have a breakout from this ascending triangle on this small time frame, on this 4-hourly time frame, then our next expected target can be approximately at 5.4 cents. Now if we take a look at the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern, that is approximately here, exactly at the 5.4 cents. Therefore, after breaking out this triangle, the breaking out of this resistance will be most probable. And after breaking out this resistance of the falling wedge, it can again try to break out the previous resistance of the triangle that we were watching on the weekly time frame. That can work as a support. That is approximately here at that will be here at approximately at 5 cents. Or 5.2 cents approximately, that will be. And in case of breaking out this very big resistance, we can expect a very big rally by the price line of Zilliqa coin. So next few hours are very important. The breakout from this triangle is very important for Zilliqa coin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.